It is another beautiful day. We are currently on a mission, aren't we, hun? You can talk, I won't show you on camera. They know you're here because I don't drive. They know I don't drive.
No.
Fine, don't talk. Anyway, we're heading to bigw because we're buying, or might be buying, a vacuum cleaner for my mother-in-law for Christmas. That is our mission, isn't it, hun?
Uh-huh.
You can talk.
I said yes.
He is not a morning person. Our mission is complete, or almost complete. We found the vacuum cleaner. I don't know why they've called it the naked truth. I think that's weird. But you think that's weird, huh? Say yes, don't nod to the camera.
Yes.
I'm still teaching him about vlogging. Simple, effective performance. Naked truth. Vacuum cleaner. Wow. $89. So now that is done, I'm currently looking for beauty and getting sidetracked by clothing on clearance, as you do. Don't mind me, I'm wearing like literally hardly any makeup, just lipstick and powder. That's literally what I do when I run out of time to do makeup. Oh, here we are, makeup. And the lipstick I'm wearing is an Australis one called Make-A-Wish. Bow is actually meant to be a really good brand. And då vet du vad det är.
Good morning, customers. Welcome to bigw.
I need the hot water bottle and then sleep.
Ready? Stock up your Christmas week. We have Tumblr direct new vlog 220 gram pack just for $5. Even for people.
So I'm currently at home, chilling with a face mask on, looking oh so cute though. And I have to have glasses on, otherwise I can't see shit. Yay, looking like the Hulk, the mint Hulk. Just thought I'd chuck this in to show you how I spend my Sunday. I'm just watching YouTube and doing interweb stuff. Trying to get my video to upload. Yay. Currently in a white goods place because I'm getting a warranty for my fridge. So yeah.